children, after the exercise of main verbs and helping verbs, today we are going to do in our grammar textbook. Chapter 10, main verbs and helping verbs. So dear children, open page number 6363. Chapter 10, main verbs and helping verbs. Let's do. Notice the difference between the pair of sentences. Notice the difference between the pair of sentences. First, A. I dance. Second, A. Children jump. Third, B's buzz. Fourth, I read. Now B. I am dancing. Now over here you can see it is just said I dance, and over here I am dancing. Then children jump. So here it will be in B, children are jumping. Children are jumping. Bees buzz. Bees were buzzing. Bees were buzzing. I read. Fourth A. Here fourth B, I was reading. I was reading. Now did you see that in each pair the first sentence has only one verb? It is called the main verb. What it is called? It is called main verb. Now note that the second sentence in each pair has two verbs. The extra verbs in the second sentence, such as am, are, were, was, help us by giving more information about the main verb. What are they doing? They are giving more information about the main verb. They are called helping verb. What are they called? Helping verb. Let's learn. As you already know, a sentence must have a verb. You must be knowing a sentence must have a verb. 2 number. Main verb have the main responsibility of creating meaning for sentence. Main verb have the main responsibility of creating meaning for sentences. 3 number. Helping verbs have different types of responsibility in sentences. They help the main verb. They help the main verb. Verb. Now you can see over here verb is there, two boxes are given. Main verb, helping verb. In main verb we see laugh, jump, eat, play. Laugh, jump, eat, play. That is the main verb. And what is the helping verb? Is, am, are, was, were. Is, am, are, was, were. I go to school every day. Go is the main verb. I am going to school. Am is helping verb. Going is the main verb. So did you get it, children? Am is what? Helping verb. Going is the main verb. Now we'll go to the next page. Page number 6464. Open, turn everybody page 6464. Let's do. Read the following sentences. Read the following sentences. A. We play football every day. We play football every day. We are playing football now. We are playing football now. B. I work on my science project. I work on my science project. I am working on my science project. C. Marcus helps his mother in the kitchen. Marcus helps his mother in the kitchen. Marcus is helping his mother in the kitchen. D. I plant 2 trees every day. What it does? I plant 2 trees every day. I am planting a tree now. I am planting a tree now. Read all the sentences in one given in the table once again. Underline the verbs there. These are the main verbs. Write the verbs in the blanks below. Now it's talking about the sentences in one column. It is talking about this. So you can see over here play we have written in A. Then the second is what? B1 we have underlined work. WORK work is written. Then C helps. HELPS helps. So it is written over here helps. And the plant is the last one. Plant is written over here. So what it says, these are the main verbs. What are these? Main verbs. Now read the sentences in the second column, this one. You will find both main verb and helping verbs. In this you will find main verb plus helping verbs. Underline the helping verbs and write them in the blanks below. Now in this column we have to write the helping verb. In the first we wrote all these are main verb. We wrote all these are main verbs. Now we have to write the helping verbs down. So helping verb was what? ARER. So it is written ARER. AM, IS is. Again AM. So these are helping verbs. The helping verbs above describe the present time. The action in the sentence is in the present time. The sentence is in present time. Over here, helping verbs. See, these are what? Helping verbs. These are helping verbs which we have written. So what it shows? It shows the action is of present time. What it is? It is of the present time. अभी जो हो रही है. Read some more sentences which have helping verbs. और sentences read करेंगे जिसमें helping verbs ज़्यादा है. They are little different this time. थोड़े अलग से है. I was playing cricket last Sunday. I was playing cricket last Sunday. My friends were playing with me. My friends were playing with me. I was very happy that day. I was very happy that day. They were going for a picnic. They were going for a picnic. The helping verb in these sentences are was and were. Was, were. Was and were. So was and were are what? Helping verbs. The helping verbs above describe past time. The action in the sentence took place in the past time. हेल्पिंग वर्ब, ये जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब हमने यहाँ पे पढ़े हैं वो हमें क्या बताते हैं? पास्ट टाइम के बारे में. जो एक्शन ऑलरेडी हो चुकी है, टूक प्लेस इन द पास्ट टाइम. पास्ट टाइम में वो एक्शन प्ले हो चुकी है, प्लेस हो चुकी है. सी आई वॉज प्लेइंग. माई फ्रेंड्स वर प्लेइंग विथ मी. आई वॉज प्लेइंग मतलब मैं खेल रहा था. माई फ्रेंड्स वर प्लेइंग, मेरी फ्रेंड्स खेल रहे थे. आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी डेट डे, उस दिन मैं बहुत ही खुश था. दे वर गोइंग फॉर अ पिकनिक, वे लोग पिकनिक के लिए जा रहे हैं. सो वॉज एंड वर इज वॉट? हेल्पिंग वर्ब ये सेंटेंस में, लेकिन किसके लिए? पास्ट टाइम में. हेल्पिंग वर्ब अबाउट डिस्क्राइब द पास्ट टाइम, पास्ट टाइम के बारे में डिस्क्राइब होता है. ओपन पेज 65, टर्न टू पेज 65. ए मेन वर्ब टेल्स अस अबाउट एन एक्शन. मेन वर्ब जो है हमें एक्शन के बारे में बताता है. हेल्पिंग वर्ब जो है वो टाइम ऑफ एक्शन, द प्रेजेंट और द पास्ट. हेल्पिंग वर्ब जो है वो हमें एक्शन तो बताता है लेकिन हमें टाइम ऑफ एक्शन, प्रेजेंट और पास्ट के बारे में, जो एक्शन जिस टाइम पे होता है वो प्रेजेंट है या पास्ट है उसके बारे में बताता है. अ सेंटेंस में बी मीनिंगलेस विदाउट द हेल्पिंग वर्ब. सेंटेंस जो है वो मीनिंगलेस होगा अगर हेल्पिंग वर्ब नहीं होगा तो. एग्जाम्पल, आई पेंटिंग ए पिक्चर. आई पेंटिंग ए पिक्चर. So this is wrong because there is no helping verb. I am painting a picture. This is correct. So this is correct because in this helping verb is there. So when we use is, am, are, was, were before a main verb, we add ing to the main verb फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम क्लीनिंग द रूम, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, मैं रूम क्लीन कर रही हूँ। तो क्लीन के साथ मैंने ing ऐड किया तो क्लीनिंग बन गया, क्लीनिंग द रूम। नाउ रीड द सेंटेंसेस बिलो, राइट आफ्टर ईच सेंटेंस द एक्शन इज इन द प्रेजेंट और इन द पास्ट। अभी ये सेंटेंसेस हम यहाँ पे करेंगे, हमें बताना है कि वो सेंटेंस प्रेजेंट के बारे में है या पास्ट के बारे में है। नाउ रीड द सेंटेंसेस। We are building sand castle today. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल किया हुआ है A1, we are building sand castles today, तो वो क्या एक्शन है, प्रेजेंट की, अभी जो हो रही है। और A2 में we were building sand castle yesterday, वो हो गया पास्ट। यहाँ पे ARE है, यहाँ पे WERE वर है, WERE वर है। सो जो R है वो प्रेजेंट है, वर जो है वो पास्ट है। B1, Ritu is working on her art project, वो प्रेजेंट है क्योंकि अभी के बारे में रितु इज वर्किंग, वो काम कर रही है। रितु वॉज वर्किंग ऑन हर आर्ट प्रोजेक्ट, वो पास्ट बन गया। आई एम बेकिंग ए केक, आई एम बेकिंग ए केक, प्रेजेंट। आई वॉज बेकिंग अ केक, दैट इज द पास्ट। D, Vinod is helping his aunt in the kitchen, present. Vinod was helping his aunt in the kitchen, that is the past. So did you follow, children, present and past over here? The first sentence indicates about the present, we are, and the second part of A is what we were, so it becomes past. We were past मतलब हो चुका है। Read the story below, circle the helping verbs and underline the main verbs. Write present or past in the blanks given. One has been done for you. Now over here what is it? We have to read the story below, we have to circle the helping verbs and we have to underline the main verb. We have to circle the helping verbs, children. Listen, helping verbs पे हमें circle करना है और जो मेन वर्ब है उसे हमें अंडरलाइन करना है और हमें प्रेजेंट है पास्ट है वो लिखना है। Once a little girl was feeling hungry. She decided to eat some fruit. तो was पे सर्कल किया है क्योंकि वो हेल्पिंग वर्ब है और फीलिंग पे अंडरलाइन किया क्योंकि वो मेन वर्ब है। She decided to eat some fruit. तो अभी यहाँ पे once a little girl was feeling hungry, was आ गया तो क्या आ जाएगा, ये पास्ट में जाएगा सेंटेंस। As she was opening her mouth, she heard a scream. was जो है वो गया पास्ट में बिकॉज पास्ट में यूज होता है was, so this is past and she heard a scream, so heard जो है वो पास्ट है। The girl said, said जो है वो प्रेजेंट है। मॉम आर यू स्क्रीमिंग, वो पूछ रही है लड़की अपनी मामा से, आर यू स्क्रीमिंग। सो आर जो है वो क्या है, हेल्पिंग वर्ब है और स्क्रीमिंग क्या है, मेन वर्ब, सो इट इज पास्ट एंड प्रेजेंट। नो सेड हर मदर, आई एम नॉट स्क्रीमिंग। सो सेड जो है वो क्या है, यहाँ पे मेन वर्ब है और हेल्पिंग वर्ब है, हेल्पिंग वर्ब am है। No, said her mother, I am not screaming. Dad, were you screaming? यहाँ पे लड़की वो डैड से पूछती है were you screaming, तो were is what helping verb, screaming is the main verb. No, I was not screaming. Dad भी कहते हैं कि I was not screaming. So was is what helping verb and screaming is the main verb. No, said the grape. No, said the grape. It was me who was screaming. Mom, the fruit is talking. Grape जो है उसने क्या कहा कि वो तो मैं था। It was me, मैं था। तो was is what helping verb, तो was पे सर्कल किया है। And who was screaming, तो was वापस से आया तो उस पर भी सर्कल किया है। And screaming is underlined because it is a main verb. मॉम द फ्रूट इज टॉकिंग, इज जो है वो हेल्पिंग वर्ब सर्कल किया है और टॉकिंग जो है वो मेन वर्ब है तो उस पर अंडरलाइन की है। तो डिड यू नोटिस चिल्ड्रन? सो the words which you have circled becomes in the past form, and they are called helping verbs. And underline which you have given, that is the main verb, and you have to identify those are the past or those are the present. They are in the present form or in the past form. So once again we'll read the paragraph. Once a little girl was feeling hungry. She decided to eat some fruit. She found some grapes. As she was opening her mouth, she heard a scream. The little girl said, "Mom, are you screaming?" "No," said her mother. "I am not screaming." "Dad, were you screaming?" "No, I was not screaming." "No," said the grape. "It was me who was something who was screaming. It was me who was screaming. Mom, the fruit is talking. The fruit is talking." So did you follow how to write past and past present? Was is what? Past. Decided, opening, said, all these are the present form. So this way we have to do the exercise. Now we'll go to the next page. Open page number 6666. We are going to do 6666. The sentence given below are incomplete. Add a helping verb to each sentence. ये जो सेंटेंस दिए गए हैं वो इनकम्प्लीट है. यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है? हेल्पिंग वर्ब हमें ऐड करना है. ना फर्स्ट, वी प्लेइंग फुटबॉल लास्ट संडे. तो यहाँ पे क्या? वी वर प्लेइंग फुटबॉल लास्ट संडे. हमने क्या हेल्पिंग वर्ब यहाँ पे यूज किया है? वर. B1, I working on my science fair project. An hour ago I am working on my science project. So what will you write over here? I was working on my science project an hour ago. You have to make it into past, and you have to add helping verb to make the sentence correct. What you have to do children? हमें यहाँ पे helping verb ऐड करना है और सेंटेंस दोबारा लिखना है. राइट. ये इनकम्प्लीट सेंटेंस है. हमें सही से हेल्पिंग वर्ब कहाँ पे ज़रूरत है हेल्पिंग वर्ब की, वहाँ पे हमें ऐड करना है और सेंटेंस कंप्लीट पूरा करना है. ओके, नाउ सी. Raghavan working with his father in the garage now. So what will you do? Raghavan is working with his father in the garage now. Is you have add helping verb. I planting a tree here. So what helping verb you will use? I am planting a tree here. I am planting a tree here. E. The monkeys jumping from tree to tree. The monkeys jumping from tree to tree. So what will you write? The monkeys are jumping from tree to tree. Here monkeys are there. That is the plural form. So you will write A-R-E-R. A-R-E-R. The monkeys are jumping from tree to tree. Last one. The cars racing on the track. The car racing on the track. So what will you write? The car are racing on the track. The car are racing on the track. So did you notice children helping verbs where we have add to make the sentence complete which was incomplete, and we have written also in the blanks given below. Now we'll do another exercise. Let's learn. Helping verbs can also act as linking verbs. What are they called? Linking verbs. In sub sentences, they link the main noun or pronoun. In some sentences, they link the main noun or pronoun of the sentence with their description. Noun and pronoun. See, this ball, I, this dresses, is, was, are. Again, description is what? Red, late for the party and pretty. Now we'll read the full sentence as the example. Noun pronoun in the first box it is given, linking verb is there in the second, and third is what? Description. What is the third? Description. This ball is red. नाउन प्रोनाउन में क्या है? दिस बॉल. लिंकिंग वर्ब हमने क्या ऐड किया है? आई एस इज. और डिस्क्रिप्शन क्या है? रेड. तो बॉल का कलर क्या है? यहाँ पे डिस्क्राइब किया है रेड. सो दिस बॉल इज रेड. सेकेंड, आई वॉज लेट फॉर द पार्टी. तो आई इज प्रोनाउन, राइट? वॉज. लेट हो गया था वॉज, एंड लेट फॉर द पार्टी. So I was late for the party. Third, these dresses are pretty. These dresses are pretty. So what you have seen over here, the dresses. Dresses are what? Plural form. So these dresses are pretty. So this ball, the sentence is a singular. So is was used. I was late for the party. I, it is a single person talking about himself. So I was. And the third one, these dresses are pretty. What? These dresses are pretty. Helping verb are is used. Why? Because the sentence is in the plural form. Now let's practice. Find the main noun, noun expressions, pronouns and their description in the given sentences and write them down. So how they are linked by linking verbs. We have to write it down how they are linked with the linking verbs. First example is already given. We were in the park. We were in the park. Page number 67. So over here you can see noun pronoun we. Noun pronoun we. Here you can see noun pronoun we, linking verb were and description in the park. Second one, Rinku and Meena are friends. Chalo, who will say yes? Rinku and Meena are noun pronoun. We have to write in that column. are is the linking verb. Description is what? Friends. 3 number, my uncle is an officer in the army. So my uncle, noun pronoun, it is my uncle. Is is linking verb and description is what? An office in the army. 4, Harish was not at home. Harish is a pronoun. Harish is a noun. So Harish is. Harish was. Harish was not at home. So Harish will write in the first column. We will join with was, that is linking verb, and not at home, that is a description verb. Dolphins are mammals. Dolphins are mammals. So over here, dolphin you will write in the first column. are is a linking verb, and mammal description is what? Mammals. So the mammals will be description. Then the last is what? 6 number. The trees were. The last is what? 6 number. The trees were leafless in winter. So what you will write? The trees. So the trees. Trees. The trees were is the linking verb, and leafless in winter is the description. In the third column you will write. So once again we will say, we were in the park. We and in the park, linking verb is were. Rinku and Meena are friends. So Rinku and Meena are friends. Are is the linking verb. My uncle is an officer in the army. Is the linking verb. Harish was not at home. Dolphins are mammals. The trees were leafless in winter. So, dear children, complete this work in your grammar textbook with neat and good handwriting. Do this exercise in your grammar textbook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you, students.